Tired of living in fear of unauthorized charges and potential privacy breaches on Facebook? Today, we're taking control and removing your Mastercard for good. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or visit Facebook on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Look for the 3 horizontal lines, often called the Hamburger Menu. This will open up a menu with lots of options. Scroll through the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option to expand it. From the expanded menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the heart of your Facebook account configurations. Now scroll down the settings page. Keep going until you see Payment or Facebook Pay. It might depend on your Facebook version. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of payment methods you have saved in your Facebook account. Find your Mastercard. Tap on the specific Mastercard you want to remove. This will open up the card details. Look for a Remove Card or Delete Card option, usually located at the bottom of the card details. Select it. Facebook will likely ask you to confirm your decision. A pop-up window will appear asking, "Are you sure?" Confirm that you want to remove the card by tapping the Remove or Delete button. And that's it. Your Mastercard has now been successfully removed from your Facebook account. You've taken a great step in protecting your financial security. Remember to review your other saved payment methods and stay vigilant about your online security. Subscribe for more tips on staying safe online.